What's up, guys? Just wanted to come back with another video. I know it's been a little while since I have done a video. My dog went missing and it's just been crazy, and this week we're in revival. Tried to do a short yesterday. But I have like a mail call. I have something to show y'all. Everybody that has sent me packages this morning, I already shipped out y'all's stickers, and they should be there soon. So y'all be checking y'all's mailbox, because y'all got a package from me. But I have a mail call. I got some poker chips. This one's mine. My brother got one. That's his. Love the poker chips. They are awesome. They're so cool. My brother wanted one. They all liked them. They all liked them. I surprised them, and they loved them. So thank you for sending me these. I really do appreciate it. They are very, 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 very cool. I like the green. It's just one that I liked. I think the green's cool. My brother got the red, and my dad got the black one. But thank you so much for sending me these. Really do appreciate it. But I got something today, and I want to show y'all. I finally got me a sticker board. All y'all stickers up here. Just very cool. But that's all of my channel stickers. Send me a sticker and it'll go on here. Still got some more room left. So send me a sticker and y'all will get y'all sticker on here. I want to figure out somewhere to put it. But that's who sent me the poker chips. That pocket knife guy. So I'm sure all of y'all know his channel, but if y'all don't, go check him out. I love to watch his lives, and I love to watch his videos and watch his shorts. But I got a lot of y'all stickers up here. Very, 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 very cool. So thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all like my content, subscribe. If you don't, I'm sure you'll find something you enjoy. But thanks for watching, and I guess we'll see y'all on the next one.